Do you want to know how you can sign into your Bing account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign into your Bing account. Go ahead and open Bing on your phone. Now click on the profile on the left hand side and click sign in with another account or sign in with the account which is shown. Now go ahead and click sign in and write down your email address. And after writing down your email address, press next and go ahead and enter your password. Make sure you write down the correct password, as if you write down the incorrect password, you cannot log into your Bing account. So check the password and click sign in. This way you can sign in to your Bing account easily. And there you go. This was a video on how you can sign in to your Bing account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.